Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I'll show you how to change profile picture of your YouTube channel. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on U button. This is located on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on View Channel. Then tap on pencil icon. Now tap on this profile picture icon. Then from here you can select camera or gallery. In my case, I select gallery because my targeted picture are in gallery. If your picture is saved in gallery, then tap on gallery. Now select your desired photo. Now crop this and then tap on save as profile picture. See here, the profile picture is now saved. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos like this. Thank you.